I'm Kevin Guinn. I'm a project manager. I ran the Brooklyn project.
I'm Skylar Swinford with Hammer in Hand, and I help with regard to the building performance aspects of the project.
And the Brooklyn project was a commercial building that we converted to a residential building.
It was like a cold castle, medieval castle almost in terms of comfort. You can tell over the years that different tenants have tried patchwork kind of piecemeal approach to improving the comfort of it.
In their effort to get the building more comfortable, they had dropped the ceilings with temporary ceilings that they had done blanket insulation over the dropped ceilings, and you lost a great amount of the character of the building as a result of having these panels of dropped ceiling.
During the demo process, which we needed to do for the aesthetics of the project, we basically demoed everything out and started with a clean slate. And we really took to the task of defining the envelope, and so we could actually control the environment inside. And so that was really the first approach.
The clients were interested in developing the upper floor as living space and keeping the lower floor as a more raw rehearsal type space. So what we did there is we actually isolated the two floors.
So we used a high density cellulose insulation in the floor system, which is a really ecologically friendly wood fiber insulation product, and we're able to install that at very high densities in the floor system from below. And what that was able to do is effectively isolate not only from sound transmission, but also really isolate the space thermally, and while helping isolate air movement between the two levels. And that was really kind of the foundation of the house, so to speak, even though it was up on the top floor. Prior to us getting our hands on the project, the mechanical system was all located in an interstitial attic space that, questionable indoor air quality. Over the years it accumulated construction debris, and who knows what else. And so by totally cleaning out that space and bringing it down to the existing structure, what we were able to do is, with the help of low-density polyurethane insulation, which is a water-blown product, we were able to change the envelope from the ceiling plane to the actual roof plane. And so now, from an indoor air quality perspective, we have the ability to have all the ductwork, which there are miles of ductwork in the place, which we were able to reduce and redesign for optimal airflows. But we brought in all of that mechanical system in conditioned space. Now, not only do we have control over the comfort of the house, but we also have the opportunity to have a really high indoor air quality as well.
Exactly.
So we're not breathing the dust from the attic.
And that was another upgrade, is in terms of indoor air quality. We brought in a heat recovery ventilator. We were able to introduce fresh conditioned air into the space, which had not had that opportunity before.
Yeah, so we went from a situation of uncontrolled temperatures, uncontrolled air quality, uncontrolled moisture conditions, and by taking a strategic approach to sealing the building up, we were able to provide a dedicated inlet of fresh air to all the occupants. So all the bedrooms are constantly getting fresh oxygenated air, and we're exhausting air in a balanced manner from the beautiful bathroom spaces that they have and the soaking areas, and controlling humidities while also recovering the energy that's already in the air. And so, really efficiently, with very small energy, we're able to have very, very high levels of filtered indoor air in the house, or filtered fresh air in the house. And so you go in the space and you can immediately sense the fresh air, and it's just a really pleasant living environment.